The first thing you want to do when creating a Google My Maps is to go into your Google Drive and then click on New, go to More, and select the Google My Maps tool. As with any Google application, such as Google Docs or Google Slides or Google Sheets, you always want to title your creation. So for our purposes, we are going to be creating a map about the California missions. So that is going to be my title. You're welcome to abbreviate California or write it out in full. Now, you want to add a short description to help people understand what your map is about. You can type what I am doing, or you can write your own description. Top 5 missions in California. Now, this is an opinion, obviously, so if you're wanting to write a different description, that is up to you. You can always go in and change your title or your mission description, or I'm sorry, your map description by clicking on it, and then you can edit. Okay, so again, I clicked on the title and I can edit the title and the description. So the next thing I want to do is to find where these missions are located in California. I'm going to just go into the search toolbar and type in California missions and just see what comes out. So Google has searched several of the missions in California. There are 21, and as you can see here, there is less than 21 missions. So what I'm going to do is, because you will need to write an interesting fact for the missions that you do select to put onto your map, I'm going to open up another tab and just search all the 21 missions in California. So 21 California missions should be enough keywords. And there you go. The first icon shows me the 21 California missions. And I'm going to click on that and see what we come up with. Okay, so this website was modified in 2019, so it's pretty current. I'm going to scroll down, and when I do scroll down, I see images of, I believe, all 21 missions. There's some videos about them, and this seems like a good site to get to know a little bit about each mission and which ones you would like to add to your map. So I'm just going to go at random and choose. This one looks pretty to me. So I'm going to open that up and read a little bit more about Mission San Carlos Borromeo del Rio Carmelo. So I'm going to skim, and it says here, okay, to enter, it's about $6.50 to enter the mission. Ooh, I really like this courtyard area. I noticed that it has a fountain. Okay, and there's a statue here of Father Sarah. Oh, there's quite a few statues. So I really like the look of the chapel. And it says here the ceiling is rounded, which is unique to this mission. Okay. It also says that it could fit a lot of people. So just looking at that, I'm going to go ahead and type in, if I can't find it here, let's see, Mission San Carlos. I don't see that, so I'm going to type in Mission San Carlos, and even though I'm not typing it in with the capitalizations, Google should already recognize that. So before I add it to the map, I want to show you a pretty cool feature. If you click on View in Google Maps, what this feature allows you to do is take kind of like an interactive field trip to the actual mission. So if I click here and turn my map view to satellite, I am able to see areas or images of the mission itself and things around it. So I'm in satellite view, and now I want to click on this person icon. And if you look here at the blue, there's some photospheres and street view. I'm going to click on the bottom right and zoom in. And I can see from a bird's eye view the perimeter of the mission, where you can park in the mission. I want to actually see the inside, so I'm going to click on one of these photospheres. Let's see, maybe this photosphere, which looks like it's going to be the Mission Basilica Museum. So I'm going to click and let's see what happens. So this is an actual image, not just image, but a satellite view of the inside of this museum. So I am able to look 360 degrees by clicking down on my mouse. And then as you can see, my cursor went from an arrow to a diamond arrow. And when doing that, I can turn 360 degrees and see. I can even turn 360 degrees up and down as well. So if I want to exit out of this photosphere and look at another one, I can do so. And this seems somewhere out in the courtyard. And this satellite image was taken by this person on the top left, John Pattern, in 2015. So that's a pretty cool feature. If you're unable to visit all the missions, you can always check it out interactively. So back to our Google My Maps. I want to add this to my map, and you can also change the color right there of your icon. You can also change not just the color, but the image of your icon. I'm just going to put a tree there for now. And as you can see, I changed the color and the icon. You're again, everything in Google is editable. You can always change it. I'm done with that. Now, the last feature that I would like you guys to do is to add your interesting fact here in the edit box. So we have the title already, which is the mission that you have chosen, and then one interesting fact, and you would add here what you thought was interesting about this mission. After doing that, you will save, and if you look at the top left box, you have one mission that has been added to your map. So have fun with this, get creative with it, and then when you are done, what you can do is, let's see, you should be able to get the link for this. So let's say, everything in Google does save on its own. So you can click out on the X. I'm going to exit out of all these tabs. And if you go back to your drive, you should be able to type in the title. And here is your map. I'm trying to find where I can get the link. Let's see what happens. Embed on my site. I know another way is to actually find the Google Maps in your drive and then right click and get your shareable link this way. You want to make sure that your link sharing is on so everyone with a San Marino email can view your map. So you just click on the link, highlight the link, and press Control C to copy, and then Control V where you will be pasting it. All right, so that is it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask your teacher.